Welcome to Part 3. You have already learned greetings, numbers, colors, adjectives, and family. Today, 2 more topics that you absolutely need when you travel: food and ordering at a restaurant, and asking for directions. Let us get started. Module 5, Food and Ordering. Everyone loves food, and when you visit an English-speaking country, you need to know food vocabulary. Let us start with the most common foods and drinks. Water, the most important word. I want water, please. I want water, please. Bread, the bread is fresh. The bread is fresh. Rice, I love rice. I love rice. Chicken, the chicken is delicious. The chicken is delicious. Fish, I eat fish every Friday. I eat fish every Friday. Meat, I like meat. I like meat. Eggs, I eat eggs for breakfast. I eat eggs for breakfast. Vegetables, are healthy and important. Let me teach you some common vegetables. Carrot, tomato, potato, onion, cucumber, broccoli, fruits. Common fruits in English: apple, banana, orange, grape, mango, strawberry, watermelon, coffee. I drink coffee every morning. Tea. Would you like tea or coffee? Milk. I put milk in my coffee. Juice. I want orange juice, please. Soup. The soup is very hot and delicious. Sandwich. Can I have a chicken sandwich? Pasta. The pasta is amazing. Pizza. Everyone loves pizza. Salad. I want a fresh salad. Cake. The cake looks delicious. Ice cream. I love ice cream. Who does not love ice cream? Now let us learn the most important phrases for ordering food at a restaurant. When you sit down, the waiter will say, "Can I help you?" or "What would you like?" To order food, say, "I would like." This is polite and correct. I would like the chicken, please. Practice. I would like, or you can say, Can I have the pasta, please? Both are perfectly polite. To ask what is good, say, what do you recommend? This means, what is delicious here? If you do not understand the menu, say, what is this? The waiter will explain. To ask the price, say, how much is this? Or how much does it cost? When you want to pay, say, can I have the bill, please? In American English, you can also say, can I have the check, please? Now let us practice a complete restaurant conversation. Listen carefully and then repeat each line. Waiter: good evening. Welcome. Are you ready to order? Good evening. Yes, I would like the grilled chicken, please. Excellent choice. And to drink? Can I have a water and an orange juice, please? Of course. Anything else? Yes. Can I also have a salad? Absolutely. I will bring it right away. After the meal: excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Of course. Here you are. Thank you very much. The food was delicious. Thank you. Please come again. Did you follow that? Let me give you the key phrases one more time. I would like to order. Can I have to order or request? What do you recommend to ask what is good? How much is this? To ask the price. Can I have the bill, please? To pay. Practice these phrases every day. Imagine you are in a restaurant. What would you order? Say it out loud in English. Module 5 is complete. Now let us learn Module 6, Directions and Places. Module 6, Directions and Places. Imagine you are in London, New York, or Sydney. You need to find the hospital, the bank, the supermarket. You need to ask for help. This module teaches you exactly how to do that. First, the 4 basic directions. Left, left. This is the left side. Raise your left hand. That side. Left. Right, right. This is the right side. Raise your right hand. That side. Right. Straight, straight, or straight ahead. Keep going forward. Do not turn. Straight, back. Turn around. Go the other way. Back. Now the direction instructions you will hear and use. Turn left. Turn left. Make a left turn at the next corner. Turn right. Turn right. Make a right turn at the next corner. Go straight. Go straight. Keep walking forward. Go back. Go back. Return the way you came. Stop here. Stop here. This is the place. You have arrived. Now let us learn position words. These tell you exactly where something is located. Next to, next to. Beside something. The bank is next to the supermarket. The bank is next to the supermarket. In front of, in front of. Before something. The taxi is in front of the hotel. The taxi is in front of the hotel. Behind, behind. After something. The parking is behind the restaurant. The parking is behind the restaurant. Near, near, close to, not far. The school is near the park. The school is near the park. Far, far, not close. A long distance. The airport is far from here. The airport is far from here. On the corner, on the corner. At the meeting point of 2 streets. The pharmacy is on the corner. The pharmacy is on the corner. Between, between. In the middle of 2 things. The cafe is between the bank and the hotel. The cafe is between the bank and the hotel. Now let us learn common places you will need to find in any English-speaking city. Hotel, hotel. Restaurant, restaurant. Hospital, hospital. Pharmacy, pharmacy. Where you buy medicine. Supermarket, supermarket. Bank, bank. Airport, airport. Bus stop, bus stop. Train station, train station. Police station, police station. Post office, post office. Museum, museum. Park, park. Now the most important question for directions. Excuse me, where is? Excuse me, where is? Always start with excuse me. It is polite. Excuse me, where is the hospital? Excuse me, where is the hospital? Excuse me, where is the nearest pharmacy? Excuse me, where is the nearest pharmacy? Nearest means the closest one. How do I get to the train station? How do I get to the train station? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map? Now let us practice a full directions conversation. You, excuse me, where is the supermarket? Person, the supermarket. Go straight down this street. Then turn right. It is on the left next to the bank. Is it far? No, about 5 minutes on foot. You, thank you very much. You are welcome. Have a good day. Key phrases, go straight, turn right, on the left next to the bank, 5 minutes on foot. You are welcome. And speaking of you are welcome, let me teach you 3 ways to respond when someone thanks you. You are welcome. You are welcome. The standard polite response. No problem. No problem. More casual and friendly. My pleasure. My pleasure. Sounds elegant and warm. Module 6 review. The 4 directions. Left, right, straight, back. Direction instructions. Turn left, turn right, go straight, stop here. Position words, next to, in front of, behind, near, far, on the corner, between. Places, hotel, restaurant, hospital, pharmacy, bank. Key question, excuse me, where is? You have finished part 3, incredible progress. You now know how to order food and navigate any city in English. In Part 4, the final part, you will learn daily routines, how to tell the time, and common questions for real conversations. Plus, a full course recap of everything you have learned. Watch Part 4 right now. Keep going. You are almost done with the complete course. Subscribe to Learn Languages, like this video, and comment below. I can order food in English. Thank you for watching. See you in Part 4. Goodbye.